Bulldozer justice, a term increasingly splashed across Indian headlines, masks a far darker reality. It represents the BJP's state-sponsored collective punishment against over 200 million Muslims today, with bulldozers deployed to raze their homes under the guise of law and order. Between 2022 and 2023, over 740,000 people were displaced nationwide due to these forced demolitions. Similarly, in June 2024, the UP government demolished 1,800 structures in Lucknow's Muslim-majority Akbar Nagar, including 1,100 homes, all under false claims of redevelopment. The motive behind this sinister campaign is clear. In states like UP, where Muslims comprise nearly 20% of the population, it helps polarize the already communal society only to consolidate the Hindu vote bank. To quote Yogi Adityanath, UP's chief minister, "If you oppose us, the bulldozer will crush you," a direct threat to the Muslims living in UP for as long as Yogi himself. Today, bulldozers have become the BJP's election trademark, hailed as instruments of justice against encroachers and mafia, words often used as coded references to Muslims. In essence, bulldozer justice is nothing but a calculated tool of oppression wielded to deepen communal rifts and to marginalize the Muslim community.